Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone app notification setting guys. In this video guys, we will talk about guys how can we off our app notification in our Samsung phone. Guys, you want to off guys this apps notification. Example for guys Play Store, Gallery, Photos, Setting, YouTube, Chrome, like that guys. You want to off guys this app notification in your Samsung phone, so guys you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off app notification in our Samsung phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to tell you guys. So guys, now let's see how to off it. So first of all guys, you will have to click on guys your phone setting to off your app notification. So why we will click here, then guys you can see guys this type of setting. So guys click on guys your notification setting. So you can see guys this recently sent it, and guys you can see this more option. So guys tap here. So as you can see guys this most recent guys only 13 apps. And guys you can see that notification settings. So guys tap here and guys click on guys your all app setting. So you can see guys your all app guys A to Z app. So which app notification guys you want to off guys, you can off from here guys. You will have to click on guys this blue icon, then guys this app notification will off in your Samsung phone guys. So which app guys you don't want notification guys, so as you can off from here guys. Tap here to off it, blue icon guys. So like that guys you can off guys your Gmail notification guys, your Google notification, Play Store notification guys. Which app guys you want to off notification, tap here this blue icon, then get this app notification will off, then guys you cannot see this app notification on your screen. So I hope friends you have understood how to off app notification in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.